Hi friends, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lohit here from the Distant Marketing Agencies. In this video today, now I'm going to show you that how to add a social icons into blogger.com. In the last video, I have shown you that how to create a blogger and how to set up a blogger pages in blogger.com. In the last video, I have shown so I'm going to give that video in the ending of this description, especially for those who didn't watch that video. Please watch my video everyone, and if you all are having any doubts, please comment me in my YouTube channel everyone. So what coming to the next point now, how how to add a social icons into blogger itself. So first of all, if you need to do is that you need to go to your Google first. In this Google website, you need to go to your blogger.com. So let us see now what you need to do is that now I am going to this blogger.com website. Let's go to this blogger.com website. Let's wait once all of you. Blogger.com. Let's go to this website as blogger.com. So in this blogger.com, so if you have published date 10 or 20 or 30 articles, then your AdSense will be approved. So this was the example that I have already created it as a four only. So but I have to create a blog still. Many blocks are there, so I have to create it. I have to post those many blocks itself. So for this was the example. Now I'm going to show you here itself. So first of all, what you need to do is that if you want to add a social icons, so you need to do is that. So I'm going to this one of the website. Sample website. I'm going to show you here itself. So let us see now what you need to do is that. So if, I'm going to my new tab. So let's see what you need to do is that now you need to go to the copy this link. So first of all, now you need to copy this link, and then let's click on copy. And then you need to do what you need to do is that you need to go to this themes option. Whatever you have selected it as a theme, you need to go to this contact of the contact pink. I have already selected it only now. So let us see. Let's click on this, and let's click on this edit HTML. So in this, so what you need to do is that you need to search for a head option. So let us head is there no. So you need to search for a head option. So let's see. First of all, you need to click it as a control plus Z. Okay, now let's click on less than. Let's see. Oh, let's see what you need. What I'm going to do is that you need to go to this less than. So for example, or otherwise, now we have found that now just now we have found that the head is there. No, so let's click on. Let's you need to give the gap of this head, and then you need to paste it here. So for now I'm going to paste that link, and then you need to click on save. Okay, now it has been saved successfully. So coming to the next point is what you need to do is that you need to go to this blogger, and then you need to do what you need to do is that you need to click on layout. So let us see now I'm going to create a sidebar. So let us see first of all if you already have a social media. So I am going to remove these two itself. So let's see. Let's click on this two. Let's click on this icon. I'm going to remove these two itself. So let's click on this remove. In the same way, social media and another social media that this was the example that I have already created only. So let's click on this remove. Okay, now coming to the next point is that now you need to click on the add a gadget, and let's select it as a HTML JavaScript. Okay, now what you need to do is now you need to enter the title name is social media. Okay, now what I'm going to do is so you need content. So in this content, what you need to do is you need to copy this code, and then you need to paste paste it into blogger.com. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to copy this code. Let's paste it here. Okay, now let's see. What you need to do is now it has been. Let's click on save. Okay, now what? Let us see. Just now we have got it as a social media or not. Let's see. Okay, now let's click on this media. Okay, now let's click on this save. In the now let's see. Now let's see. I'm going to this blog session. Let's click on this view the blog. Okay, now what you need to do is that now you need to go to this side option. Just now we have got all the social media itself only, so let us see. For example, I'm going to select my Facebook link. See, this was my group name. So it's a very simplest way that you can add a social media icons into Blogger itself only. So especially for those who all are having any doubts regarding about this topic of how to add a social media icons into blogger.com. So please comment me in my YouTube channel, everyone. So this was a very simple, easiest way that you can do very easily. But many of those guys will not get any doubts regarding about this topic of how to add a social icons itself there. But there are different types that you can create, that you can connect a social media to blogger.com. So this this was the easiest way that I have shown you here itself only. So I am going to give all the codes into ending of this description itself. So let us see now. That's all guys for the today's topic. Now we'll see, this was the example that I have already created itself only. So let us see. Let's click on this save. Okay, now let's see. Now again I'm going to reload this. Okay, let's see. That's all guys. It's a very easiest way. So in the same way I'm going to split it as a YouTube. See. Okay, this was my channel name. So I have already copied my YouTube channel link and I have already pasted into social media itself in this blogger.com only. So I have pasted this. Let's see. Okay, I have copied this uh, Facebook in Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So these two are examples. In the same way, you can do it very easily. So for the example that I have shown you here itself only. So let us see. So that's all for guys for the today's topic is that how to add a social media icons. So I have already linked those three social media only. So that's all guys. These were the two examples. These are the examples that I am showing you here itself only. So thank you all. Thank you so much for watching to my video of today's topic is how to add a social media icons into Blogger itself. Please comment me in my YouTube channel, everyone, especially for those who all are having any doubts regarding about this topic. Please comment me. I'll give you a reply to you 100% surely. So thank you all. Thank you so much for everyone. For those who all are watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click a bell icon from here. Thank you all. Thank you so much for everyone.